Hello, Morris Baynard, Technical Director at EcoMaster with you once again, and today we're going to take a look at heating outlets. If you've got a gas ducted heating system where the outlets are in a timber floor, then this is for you. Sometimes there can be gaps that you're not aware of. So here's what to do. Go to each outlet in turn and lift the register off the outlet. What you're going to find is a thing called the boot. So the boot is the adapter that adapts the round ducting under the floor into the rectangular opening that the register fits on. How well the boot fits to the opening in the floor is important. So you can see in the image on screen at the moment that there are significant gaps between the boot and the floor. And this is a place where heating can be lost into the subfloor. And when the heating's off, you can have draft enter your home through this as well. Now, sometimes the opening in the floor is just wrong, and sometimes the boot itself becomes a bit of a figure eight over time. Also, sometimes the boots become dislodged. Maybe a clout that's been used to pin it to the floor has fallen out. There's lots of reasons why these gaps open up. There's a significant one right there. So how do we treat these? Well, if the boot's actually falling out, if it's loose, then we need to secure it first. So maybe put a screw in the side of it into the floor so that it's not going to fall out. But then we need to seal up the gaps. So what's a good way of sealing up the gaps? Well, with a sealant. And most of the time, unless it's a massive gap, I would suggest Fuller's Ultra Clear because it's an easy water clean up sealant. You can just push it all in, cork it in with your corking gun, and whatever spare is in there, well, you just wipe it out with a damp cloth, and there you go, job done. You can pop the register back in and feel comfortable that you're going to have improved the energy efficiency of your heating system significantly. And by the way, speaking of efficiency of heating systems, have a look at this metal boot. You can just imagine how much energy is going to be conducted out of this steel, well, very large steel boot into the subfloor. It may be worth actually looking at replacing the whole ducting system just because of these. So take a look around. Even the metal ones can have a problem, as you can see, and oops, you might even find that one's fallen out entirely. In fact, this one looks like it was disconnected and then just pushed out. So you can imagine what a massive draft issue that is for your home. There you have it. So get some sealant, seal up the boots and pop the registers back in, and you're going to have a much more efficient heating system. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk again very soon.